Welcome at Pizza and More. Everyone says pizza is unhealthy, but I made already some variants where I showed pizza could be a bit more healthy when I made the dough from Typo 1 or even from Integrale, so from whole grain flour. Yeah, I'm Jürgen and we make this time also a pizza which is a bit more healthy. We make a Pizza Verdure, so only with vegetables. However, if someone says pizza is too fat, this is up to everyone's self, because if we pour some olive oil over it, olive oil is healthy. If you use some very fat salami, of course, then this is a different story. Which kind of vegetables you use is absolutely also up to you. Use whatever you want. I, for example, have now eggplant, I have zucchini, I have some peppers, I have garlic and onions, and some mushrooms. If you like olives, for example, or anything else, please add it or leave something away which you don't like. The vegetables or some of the vegetables should be fried beforehand, so in a pan, because especially the eggplant or the zucchini might not be ready if we bake only for 60 or 90 seconds in the pizza oven. So therefore, I will cut it and fry it a bit in the pan. I thought, let's make a dough, a traditional Neapolitan dough, which means I have a hydration of 62%. I had a leavening time of 24 hours at room temperature. I used the Typo 0 flour. And of course, if you want to see if you want to know about the recipe of my dough, then the dough the recipe is in the video description. We will bake the pizza as it has only 62% hydration, so the traditional Neapolitan one. We will bake it in the pizza oven at 450 to 480 degrees Celsius. And now we start with our vegetables. Here we have our vegetables I want to use today for our pizza. This is a zucchini, an eggplant, peppers, mushrooms, garlic and onion. At first I will cut the eggplant into pieces, then I would add some salt and then I would put it into a sieve and let it drain for around 1 hour. In the meanwhile, we can also cut all the other vegetables, and after this hour, what the eggplant needs, I will put everything into a pan with enough olive oil and fry everything for a while. Everything is in the meanwhile prepared. The vegetables are fried. The cheese is prepared. The tomato sauce is prepared. The pizza oven is preheated. And now we can start with our delicious Pizza Verdure. And as always in these kind of videos, I have the pizza dough already here on my counter. It's an absolute fantastic dough with the 24 hours at room temperature. It's really great, this kind of dough. And now we stretch the pizza like we stretch a Neapolitan pizza, which means we press all the air from the center towards the crust. When the pizza is stretched, we add our tomato sauce. I have here a Neapolitan one, which means these are San Marzano tomatoes. I teared them by hand and then I added 4 grams of fine sea salt to 400 grams of tomato sauce. The next we add is fresh grated Parmesan cheese. You also could use Grana Padano or Pecorino. Then we add the mozzarella cheese, or even which cheese ever you want. In my case, it's fior di latte. And then we already add our main actor of this pizza, the vegetables. And you already can see how nice and colorful this pizza is. Now it's already time for the pizza peel. Now I stretch the pizza to its final size. And then it goes into the oven. And here this nice pizza comes out of the oven. And then as the final topping, again, some fresh grated Parmesan cheese. Maybe once you haven't guessed, or maybe yourself want to eat a vegetarian pizza, then this is one variation of it. As I said, you can use vegetables, whatever you want, but you can believe me, this one is absolutely delicious. Now I will go over into the dining room and I will enjoy this nice Pizza Verdure. If you like my video, it would be really fantastic if you would subscribe my channel, and then we see us also in the next video. Ciao!